Hello and welcome everyone to Tech and Travel. This is Anal Afridi with another tech review. Today I'm going to be unboxing and also testing the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earbuds. These are not very expensive. It costs about around 45 to 50 US dollars. I bought them 4.99 Norwegian kroner, so I think that's about $50. So we're gonna be opening the box, see what's in the box, and then also test some music, so some videos, so we can check the audio quality on this device. So let's just open the box first. So let's just open the box on both sides. Yeah, there it is. On the top. So we have the charging cable, the USB cable. It's just these are some earbuds, I guess they call it earbuds. So these rubber sizes that fits to your ears. And beside that, so this is the main charging port, and I think the buds are inside the pod. So we're gonna open this as well. See what's else inside the box. So there's nothing, that's empty. And let's just open what's inside there. Okay, so there's nothing else, just the manuals and the books. I'm not interested in that. So just take them out from this plastic cover or something. So just push outside, I guess. Yeah. So the cable and the buds. And if you open this, so these are the, by the way, they look very nice, not bad. If you can, so we have a two, like a pair, and I guess you can use one if you're sharing music, maybe both can listen it. The buds itself, they are 43 milliampere battery capacity, single one, and the charging pod, or I don't know what it's called, but this box, this is 300 milliampere. So if you put 43 into 43, that's 86. So I think you can have like about even more than 3 times of charging time. The music or the audio time is 3 hours on these buds for a single one. If a double, it's combined is 6, but actually it's 3 hours in total, and it takes about I think it takes about 1.5 hour to charge. Let me just double check it. Yeah, its charging time for the buds is approximately 1.5 hour, and if you want to charge the charging case, then because this is a 300 milliampere battery in the charging case, so it will probably take 2.5 hours to charge, fully charge. So, and then you can have three extra charges with this. So this is the unboxing, and now I will just do some music testing on these both. Okay then, so I have the charging box with the ports inside, and once you remove that blue cover, just there's this blue, if you can see, so it's on this golden metals, that's for charging. So when you open the first time, this blue thing is here, so it's just preventing them from charging. So once you put them in and remove this blue plastic, so you can see the red dots are on. This means they are charging, so it doesn't matter if it's closed or it's open, but they are charging. And that's the charging port, and you can use the cable which I just showed you. Anyway, let's just check some music on it. So I'm gonna take both of them. So once you take them out, you will hear this this kind of a welcome sound. So you have a right on the right, and you have to I'm not sure if you can do this like in the bottom. I think you have to put them like upside down. So this is down, the ear piece is down, and the buds are up. So like this and like this. So I have connected them with my laptops, and I have, so just let's just hear kind of music or song, not a song, music. Okay, let me just hear one by one. Maybe I just put some volume up. Oh, that's too loud. Oh, it's very clear as well. And now if I, that's very good. If I try the right one, yeah, it's very good. They're actually very good. Oh, but that's, you can also hear them. Like I can hear them now as well. Probably you can hear them as well somehow. So they're very loud actually. Very good. Let's just try one more song. So now it's very clear. Yeah, so it's very good. So besides that, you also have this touch on here. So this also works. So if you press the touch, it just stops. Yeah. So it's not very good, very bad actually. The sound is it's very loud. Sometimes it's not a very good thing if you're hearing the music in front of someone and then it's too loud and the other person is in it. But that's, I think, very common in most of these devices. But with this price, I think they are very good. I just noticed a little bit. It's not very fit in my ears, but I'm not sure if I just put them in the wrong way or what. Now they look okay. So, yeah, so you can see it's not going very perfectly. Maybe I have to change the buds, maybe a small size or something. But overall, they're very good. It's good quality. So yes, so this was the reviews for the buds, and they're not very bad with the price. And I think with this budget, and if you want earbuds, I think this is a very good option. For in the beginning, I thought it might not be that good, but the loud sound it produces, it's very good, I think. So I would say it's good with the money they coming, and I think I would recommend that. So yeah. So anyway, so these are the buds, and this was the review for today. So I hope see you next time with another device and review. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a thumb up there. See you next time. Take care. Bye.